Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Biology Planet. In our earlier videos, we have studied about fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane. Today we are going to see the detailed structure of nucleus, right? Today we will see the structure and function of nucleus. So before discussing about the structure and function of this, we should know the basic things about nucleus. कुछ basic चीजों के बारे में जान लेते हैं nucleus की. तो this nucleus, firstly it was discovered by a scientist named Robert Brown. Right? सबसे पहले रॉबर्ट ब्राउन ने न्यूक्लियस को डिस्कवर किया था. Right, and this nucleus is also known as the brain of the cell. Brain of the cell. Brain of the cell क्यों कहते हैं? What is the function of brain? अगर हम brain की बात करें, what is the main function of brain? Brain mainly controls all the functions of our body. Right? तो बिल्कुल वैसे ही ये जो न्यूक्लियस है which is found inside the cell, it plays very important role because it controls all the functions of the all the organelles even of the cell. Right? जो जितने भी organelles होते हैं, जितने भी functions, जितनी भी metabolic activities cell के through perform की जाती हैं, they all are regulated by or controlled by nucleus. Right? So let's know more about nucleus. न्यूक्लियस सबसे पहले हम बात करते हैं ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इट्स नंबर, राइट? नंबर बेसिस ऑफ नंबर. अगर हम नंबर के बेसिस पे बात करें तो न्यूक्लियस कैन बी ऑफ मेनी टाइप्स. द फर्स्ट वन इज यूनिन्यूक्लिएट, या फिर सबसे पहले हम देख लेते हैं इन्यूक्लिएट. राइट? E-nucleate. E means no. Here, the cells in which nucleus is absent. So these kinds of cells are known as E-nucleate. So there are many cells just like mature RBC, mammalian RBC, right? Mature mammalian RBC, platelets, and sieve tubes. And sieve tubes of phloem. So these are the certain cells in which nucleus is absent in its maturity. Mainly in the RBC and platelets, and sieve tubes also nucleus just gone. Like nucleus is absent in the mature state or the maturity. Right? In young ones, in young cells, they are nucleus are present. But in the maturity, in the matured stage, the nucleus is absent. So these kind of cells are known as E-nucleate, right? And another thing is uninucleate. Uni means single. So the cells in which only one nucleus is present, that is known as uninucleate. So many cells are there. नॉर्मल सेल्स की बात करें अगर हम या फिर किसी भी ह्यूमन सेल की बात करें एक्सेप्ट आरबीसी, प्लेटलेट्स, तो दे ऑल हैव वन सेल. तो हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट यूनिन्यूक्लिएट. तो किसी भी छोटे या फिर माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म का ले रहे हैं एग्जांपल, तो दैट इज अमीबा. आई हैव टेकन एग्जांपल ऑफ अमीबा. इट इज यूनिन्यूक्लिएट. थर्ड वन इज बाइन्यूक्लिएट. Binucleate means the cell in which two nucleus is present. Right? Two nucleus are present. So that is another protozoan which is known as paramecium. Right? So paramecium is binucleate means in the cell of paramecium two nucleus will be present. Right? And the last one is multinucleate. Multinucleate means the cells in which more than two nucleus are present. Means एक या दो से ज्यादा जब न्यूक्लियस प्रेजेंट होते हैं किसी सेल में, तो उसे हम मल्टीन्यूक्लिएट कहते हैं. दैट इज एग्जांपल्स अगर हम देख लेते हैं तो दैट इज स्केलेटल मसल सेल्स. Right? Skeletal muscle cells are the example of multinucleate cells. Right? So here we have seen the type of nucleus on the basis of its number. तो इस basis पे कैसा हो सकता है है न्यूक्लियस, ई न्यूक्लिएट हो सकता है मतलब एब्सेंट हो सकता है न्यूक्लियस, यूनी न्यूक्लिएट हो सकता है मींस ओनली वन न्यूक्लियस विल बी प्रेजेंट, बाई न्यूक्लियस न्यूक्लिएट हो सकता है इट मींस टू न्यूक्लियस विल बी प्रेजेंट, मल्टी न्यूक्लिएट भी हो सकता है इट मींस मोर देन टू न्यूक्लियस विल बी प्रेजेंट, राइट। अब हम देखते हैं न्यूक्लियस के टाइप्स को ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इट्स शेप, ठीक है। अब हम शेप के अगर बेसिस में देख रहे हैं ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इट्स शेप, तो मेनली इट इज सर्कुलर, राइट। द मोस्ट कॉमन टाइप ऑफ न्यूक्लियस इज सर्कुलर। सर्कुलर, इसको हम स्फेरिकल भी कह सकते हैं, राउंडेड भी कह सकते हैं। तो दिस इज द मोस्ट कॉमन टाइप ऑफ न्यूक्लियस, जनरली इट इज प्रेजेंट इन द एनिमल सेल, so this is the most common type of nucleus. Second one is oval shape. Second one is oval shape. So this type of nucleus is also present. Generally this kind of nucleus is present in adipocytes. Adipocytes, right? And when oval nucleus is bilobed, so sometimes the bilobed nucleus is also there, like if there are two lobes, तो इस तरीके की जो सेल्स होती हैं जिनमें न्यूक्लियस दो होते हैं, दो लोब्स के फॉर्म में होते हैं, तो उसको हम बाइलोब्ड कहते हैं, बाइलोब्ड। There are certain cells in which trilobed means three lobes are present, so trilobed nucleus is also there, right? And when number of lobes are present in the nucleus, when number of lobes are present, then it is known as multi-lobe. Then it is known as multi-lobe. So these bilobed nucleus is present generally in the basophils. Trilobed is present in acidophils. Right? And multi-lobe nucleus is also present is there, right? So these are the types of nucleus which are which we can see on the basis of their shape, right? अब हम देख लेते हैं न्यूक्लियस को ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर पोजीशन, राइट। तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ पोजीशन न्यूक्लियस कैन बी फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज, इन विच द फर्स्ट वन इज एसेंट्रिक, या फिर सबसे पहले हम देख लेते हैं सेंट्रिक। Centric means when the nucleus is present in the center. तो इसका एग्जांपल हो जाएगा animal cell in which nucleus is present at the center. Okay. Then second one is acentric. So in these kind of cells, the nucleus is not present in the center. It is slightly moved towards the plasma membrane, right? थोड़ा सा प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन की तरफ झुका हुआ होता है या फिर शिफ्टेड होता है। तो इसका एग्जांपल आपका हो जाएगा प्लांट सेल। नेक्स्ट आपका आता है, ये आपका सेंट्रिक हो गया, एसेंट्रिक हो गया। नेक्स्ट होता है आपका पेरिफेरल। तो पेरिफेरल में क्या होता है, जनरली द न्यूक्लियस इज वेरी क्लोज टू द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन। न्यूक्लियस इज फाउंड वेरी क्लोज टू द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन। तो इसका एग्जांपल आपका हो जाता है एडिपोज सेल्स। इसमें जनरली कुछ इस तरीके से होता है, ये सेल्स कुछ ऐसी होती हैं इन विच द मोस्ट ऑफ द स्पेस इज ऑक्यूपाइड बाय फैट, right? So rest of the material just like nucleus and cytoplasmic inclusions, they all are shifted towards the periphery. That is why this kind of nucleus is known as peripheral nucleus. And another one is basal. Basal means when the nucleus is present at the base. So here are few cells which are known as columnar cells. So in columnar cells you can see that nucleus is present at the base, right? So here we have seen the type of nucleus on the basis of its position. So it can be centric. Centric means when the nucleus is present at the center, and another one is eccentric, in which nucleus is not present at the center but it is little bit shifted towards the periphery, means not that much also, बिल्कुल भी किनारे की तरफ नहीं होगा, थोड़ा सा little bit shifted towards the periphery. And next one is peripheral. So here in this one nucleus will be completely shifted towards the periphery or maybe attached with the periphery also, right? Just like in the adipose cells. And last one is the basal nucleus. So in this type of cells, nucleus is present at the base. An example of these type of cell is columnar cells. So this we have learned about the few basic things about nucleus, right? And in our next video we will see about the complete structure and function of nucleus. So till then, please subscribe to my channel and like it also. Thank you.